always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
And so we have rain coming in for tomorrow in waves, and at times could be heavy enough to produce some localized flooding. So a next weather alert in effect through Wednesday with a level 1 of 4 threat for some flash flooding. The area you see here, now the entire South Florida is not going to be looking at flooding, but any given location where you see here is going to have the potential for that, depending on how the storm's set up. And we have plenty of them coming from a southeasterly direction here with a surge of tropical moisture and upper level disturbance. You put all that together and the potential is certainly there, which is why they've issued that from WPC and for us here at Next Weather as well. System pulls away. And in fact, what will happen towards the end of the week is we'll get back into some Saharan dust that'll start lowering rain chances, but that won't happen until late week. Tomorrow will be, I think, the highest rainfall chance and threat that we'll have throughout the week. We got first batch coming in through the lunch hour. That pushes west with the southeast wind, but then we get another little surge here, and that's the one that we'll watch closely for the evening commute. That could result in some pockets of very heavy rainfall in a short amount of time, and that's why we have the potential for some flooding there, localized anyway. 60 to 50. We'll hold on to that moisture on Thursday, and then look at the rain chances coming down 30. When you see 20% coverage in the wet season, something's going on, and what's going on and what will go on is the Saharan dust. We track it all the way from Africa across the Atlantic Ocean. It goes south of this Bermuda High with that clockwise circulation, and watch the clock here as it pushes into our area by Friday. Already beginning to see those impacts, and so it won't shut down rain chances, but just like the last plume, it'll get us down to about 20%. That's for Friday, heading into Saturday, and even for Father's Day as well. We'll continue with that dust that will limit those rain chances, so we're looking good. Saharan dust is also good across the Atlantic. It prevents any tropical systems from getting going. We got a lot of dry air. We also have a lot of wind shear. Really, anything that tries to get going this time of year, typically in the central and eastern Atlantic, gets blown apart. Nothing in the Gulf, though, or the Caribbean that I am concerned about. So again, next weather alert for tomorrow. We'll drop that on Thursday, and then for Friday and thereafter, beginning to see those lower rain chances with the dust beginning to do that for us here. So 20%, and for Father's Day itself on Sunday, looks good for that. And early next week, we'll hang on to the dry conditions right now with temperatures steady in the upper 80s. Feels like temperatures will be well into the 90s.